Have you ever wondered what it's like to go on a school trip in China? No? Yeah, me neither, but we went on an overnight school trip the other week, so I decided to film it. We went to some ancient places in Guangzhou, and this is what it was like. But we are here in Hongpu district.
Look! Look! Crab! Wow!
Cool, right?
Oh,
crab and oats. What's inside? Is that like fish eggs? A soup dumpling. So is it good? It's like a cupcake. I don't know if I'm helping here or hurting.
No, I think you've just moved.
I'm pretending to help, right? We've just had lunch at that place. Insanely good, actually. Very impressed. Usually for field trips, we get like a bag with like a boiled egg in it and some rice snacks. That's beautiful. There's some stuff I've never tried. But so field trips are made for learning. Hongpu was the first place to deal with the West, like trade-wise. So that's where we just were. I didn't actually know that. We go on to the next place now. Check-in chaos. Morning, everyone. That's the first word I've spoken today. Hot. Cool. Teamwork. I did think that this was coffee here, but plum juice. So I almost filled up with plum juice. Lunchtime, the calm before the storm. With 150 students, it's pretty insane. One of the students just fell over. It's pretty insane to obviously feed them, so we need massive halls. Yesterday lunchtime we had a massive dim sum restaurant. Today it's a hotel in Foshan somewhere. Other people obviously in this restaurant, their faces when everyone comes in. It's quite good. We can time lapse it. You just meant to stab it. Finished it. There we go. So it didn't just end like that. It actually ended being super late. We were like 2 hours later than we should have been, and it was a Friday. I was actually playing for the first time in a new bar that night. I was a bit worried and didn't record anything else, but yeah, overnight school trip in Guangzhou, China. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. Catch you next time.